Hey everyone, what's up? Today I'm here to unveil something epic. A video surveillance security kit. It's the all-new ZKTeco video surveillance security system kit. Forget everything you thought you know about surveillance. This bad boy is a complete game changer. It comes with everything you need with this waterproof high-definition cameras that capture crystal clear footage even at night, to this sleek digital video recorder that records everything and lets you see it on your phone. Boom! Remote access anywhere, anytime. Peace of mind delivered straight to your pockets. No complicated setups, no tech headaches. The ZKTeco video surveillance security system kit works with all kinds of cameras. HD, CVI, TVI, doesn't matter. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Seriously, this is the easiest way to secure your home or facility. So ditch the worry, ditch the outdated systems and upgrade your future. Visit our website or our authorized distributors to grab your ZKTeco video surveillance security system kits.